So, paano ang paggawa ng New Year's resolution? Making New Year's resolution. Stay positive. No quick changes. Just slow and make a little room for yourself. Set a goal that is motivating you. Mag-set ka ng goal na nagmo-motivate sa'yo, that you are not forced to do that thing. Make sure goal that you set is important to you and there is value and benefit in it for you. Number 3, manageable limits. Resolution that you can manage, okay? Things you want to accomplish and set limitations. Yung kaya mo lang. And be specific with your New Year's resolution. Be specific. New Year's resolution that is attainable, relevant, and time sensitive. Measurable. Yung kaya mo siyang i-manage. Then number 5 is write them down. That is very important. Bakit mo siya dapat i-list? Why would you list your New Year's resolution? Because to be able to not to forget them, to clarify what's your goal for this year, to take action, and it will serve as your guide, the list of your New Year's resolution and how far you have come. May mga nagawa na ba ako? May mga na-accomplish na ba ako? And share your New Year's resolution with others. Why? Para may counter-checking. Nagawa ko ba? Check me out kung medyo bumabalik ako sa dati. Have I changed? And renew your resolutions. Pag umabot na ulit tayo ng December 2025, prepare na ulit tayo ng bagong resolutions. And make a checklist. Ano na ba yung na-accomplish ko? And if you fall off track, get back and take chances again. Yun. So I hope may na-share po ako sa inyo. So this morning, Happy New Year. May your New Year be successful, bright, and makes you more healthy and happy and wealthy. And be closer to God and love people more. So I love you all. Happy year 2025. Welcome to year 2025. And wear your lucky color.